AngelSpan delivers the tools and information for startups to be more successful and investors to invest better. We know that better information leads to better outcomes. Despite the ample capital available, entrepreneurs continue to struggle for access to the capital they need to successfully launch and navigate the earliest stages of the startup journey, while venture funds struggle to deliver appropriate risk-adjusted returns to their investors. This is no surprise, as there has been little innovation in how we fund innovation since the first venture fund was launched in 1959. But innovation is coming. As observed in PitchBook's 2021 Venture Update, the VC industry itself is going through a period of transformation and innovation. Use of data supporting more rigorous risk and portfolio management disciplines will redefine the foundational principles and recalibrate the assumptions which influence the design and management of venture funds. What has been lacking to implement this new thinking, however, is quality information on the startups themselves. That is, until now. Our team of investment professionals with over 160 years of combined experience managing portfolios in the public and private markets has incorporated the latest research from industry, academia, behavioral finance, along with recognized best practices from the public markets into the design of our best-in-class investor relations service, what we call AngelSpan. We have availed these analytics to investors that want to invest better through our Legacy Funds platform. The explainer video linked here dives deeper into the powerful analytics that AngelSpan can provide. We license our platform for free to those that recognize the limitations of the bespoke model of the past and want a scalable, institutionally rigorous strategy to create and manage a new venture strategy, enabling entrepreneurs to more efficiently source the capital they need while delivering proper risk-adjusted returns to investors. This strategy is viable anywhere that entrepreneurs are doing business and where investors want to support them and profit from that support. The foundation of the Legacy Funds platform is the SMART IR, standardized monitoring, analysis, reporting, and tracking that is delivered via AngelSpan, our core investor relations service. Simply stated, this better information can lead to those better outcomes. By focusing on risk management first, licensed funds leverage the trademark SIFT method of portfolio assembly to efficiently assemble a properly diversified seed stage portfolio of 100+ thesis-focused companies. The SIFT method of portfolio construction and management ensures all risks are being managed properly. Non-systematic risk via the proper diversification at each funding stage, systematic risk via optimized staged funding rounds, and decision process risk via data-supported and data-driven investment decisions. The company-specific analytics are captured beautifully in our tear sheet, which represents an objective, longitudinal analysis of the status and operating progress of the startups using AngelSpan's investor relations service. This includes a snapshot of the company's stage in the venture lifecycle, as well as a cross-company evaluation. Our platform and solution incorporates a dashboard of data and the tools to architect, fund, and manage a venture thesis or strategy, giving both the general partner as well as LP investors confidence in the fund's future, regardless of the fund's location or the relative venture funding experience of the GP. The data and analytics within the dashboard allow the GP to select and assemble follow-on funds, deploying sequentially larger portions of the LP's capital as the portfolio gets de-risked. This staged funding strategy assures capital is deployed prudently across the investment thesis, with increasing investment as the portfolio gets de-risked over time. The platform and access to the dashboard and library of analytics is licensed under 3 specific use cases: a light license, a white label license, and a branded license. A light license is simply access to the analytics on the portfolio companies when the investor has required the use of AngelSpan for the startup's reporting. The white label license is an adoption of the entire platform strategy, with the fund's name independent of the Legacy Fund's branding, and the branded license incorporates the Legacy Fund's name. Each licensing relationship receives progressively more services and support from the AngelSpan and Legacy Funds team. The result of the Legacy Fund strategy is that funds licensing our platform will have the tools, information, and support to manage optimized venture funds with standardized company-specific reporting and analytics across companies over time. Investors can now make an impact while capturing the economic benefits of entrepreneurism, whether they care about the economic future of their hometown, enabling more diverse entrepreneurs access to the American dream, or they simply want to participate in some of the rewards of continual innovation that is the hallmark of our economy. If you would like to learn more about AngelSpan or the Legacy Funds platform, please reach out to Joe Milam.